Today I would like to find out which power adapter will charge the phone the fastest. First power adapter is the original Apple power adapter, which has a current of 1 ampere. Next one is a Samsung fast charger. It has a current of 2 ampere. Next one is a third-party Philips charger, which has actually two ports, one with 1 ampere and one with 2.1 ampere. And finally, the MacBook power adapter has 2.4 ampere and is actually for the MacBook 12-inch, but you also can use it to charge any other USB device. From the bunch, this is the only one who uses the new USB-C port. For this review, we will be using two different phones, a Samsung Galaxy and an iPhone. The way which I charged the phone was by turning on airplane mode, so like that there's no internet connection or data connection. So that's the fastest way to charge your phone when you turn on the airplane mode. For this review, I would charge each phone until it reached 10% of battery, and then I would multiply it by 10 to reach full battery. The Samsung Galaxy has a 3000 milliampere battery, whereas the iPhone has a 1900 milliampere battery. So obviously the Samsung Galaxy should take longer to charge. First up is the Galaxy using the Apple 1 ampere iPhone charger. Would take about 140 minutes in airplane mode. Using the original Samsung charger, it would take around 90 minutes. Using the third-party Philips 2.1 ampere charger, it would take 99 minutes. Using the Apple 2.4 ampere charger, it would take around 80 minutes. To recap, the fastest one is the 2.4 ampere Apple charger with 80 minutes to charge the Samsung Galaxy. Second fastest is the original Samsung charger, which charged in 90 minutes. Then the Philips 2.1 ampere, which charged in about 98 minutes. And then the last one, the iPhone charger, which charged in 140 minutes. Next up is the iPhone. To charge using the original Apple 1 ampere iPhone charger, it takes around 115 minutes to charge until full. Using the Samsung 2.0 ampere charger, it took around 100 minutes. Using the Philips 2.1 ampere charger, it took around 85 minutes. And using the Apple 2.4 ampere charger, it took around 70 minutes. So for the iPhone, the fastest charger is the charger for the MacBook, the one at 2.4 ampere. Second fastest is the Philips 2.1 ampere charger, which took around 85 minutes. And The third one fastest is the Samsung charger with around 100 minutes, and the last one is the original iPhone charger which took 115 minutes. So in conclusion, we can say that the fastest charger for both phones is the 2.4 ampere MacBook charger. However, if you would use the Apple iPad charger, probably would charge almost as quickly as the MacBook charger. Or you can buy a third-party one like the Philips 2.1 charger, still faster than the original Apple iPhone charger. So there you have it. The fastest charger is the one with the 2.4 ampere. In case you will be looking for another power adapter to charge your phone, choose one which has at least 2 ampere current if you want to charge your phone faster. The original iPhone charger charges slower, but probably is better for your batteries. But if you let the phone charge without using the phone while charging, the phone will be alright using a higher current, because if you don't use the screen while you charge, then the battery won't get so hot and is better for the battery. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. Stay safe.